Are you tired of communication headaches in your business? Imagine a phone system that's easy to set up and operate. Cloud-based solutions do just that. They offer hassle-free installation, saving your time and resources. Enjoy anywhere connectivity, make calls from any location with internet access. Scalability is another perk, easily add or remove team members as needed. Plus, with low monthly fees, you can stick to your budget while enjoying powerful features. However, consider potential downsides. Dependence on internet connectivity can disrupt communications if the service fails. There are security concerns. Always ensure your provider upholds strong data protection standards. Vendor stability matters. Outages can disrupt your communication. And don't forget about ongoing subscription costs that may add up over time. In summary, cloud-based phone systems can enhance your business communications, with some caveats. Ready to revolutionize your business phone system? Act now and explore cloud solutions.